All right, so we're in day 2, and this morning I came out to check, and it was really cold in the garage, like 34 degrees, and unfortunately we got a couple chicks that didn't make it. And I'm getting ready to dispose of those now, which is just heartbreaking. But I did an emergency shuffle to a fish tank inside my office, and got them all in there. They're all doing really well now, and I'll head over, show you what that fish tank looks like now. But I just had to get rid of these, and that's just unfortunately, I don't know if it's the cold hard truth, or it's just part of doing this, or I did something wrong, or I don't know, but we'll see. So we kind of went to this emergency. I had this old 55-gallon fish tank here, and I'm putting them in there, and they seem to be reacting a lot better. I can't believe how fast they grow. I did install a GoPro, which I'm recording right now as we speak. I'm gonna let it record for like 2 hours every day and just see if we can't get some really cool footage. But so that's kind of where we're at right now. I'm gonna keep them in there until they get all feathered up, and then we'll get them back out to the garage when I feel a little more comfortable that they have a more adequate protection from the elements. What's up, little dude? It is amazing how fast they are growing. The fish tank was not adequately clean though, so it's pretty gross. And you can see me in the background, that's cool. Come on, focus on the chicken. There you go.